Hey guys, welcome back to another video. One of the best skills you can have as a prop maker is the ability to transform one material into another. And in this video, I'm going to show you a quick trick on how to make anything look like aged metal. So let's get started. I have this small section of PVC fencing that I grabbed from another project. It's already got some texture and a rust paint job, and as a haunter, I immediately noticed that it's pieces of PVC pipe that have been assembled and painted to look like metal. But what can I do to change that? Well, with a bit of fine graphite powder and some clear shellac, we can push the envelope a bit more and give it an even more realistic metal finish. To get started, I'm going to stir my shellac before pouring some into a paper coffee cup, and then slowly adding in scoops of fine graphite powder until I reach a gravy-like consistency. Once the graphite is thoroughly mixed with the shellac, it's time to start applying. For pieces like this, where you'll want the entire part to look like metal, I recommend painting the whole thing with the shellac and graphite mix. If you want to add touches of metal here and there, you can dab the mixture on the surface in places where you want to highlight. When I have the entire piece painted, I'll go back and pounce the brush along the surface to create texture. The more texture, the more the metal finish will shine through. I'll flip the piece over and repeat on the backside before allowing it to completely dry. After an hour in the hot California sun, this piece is fully dry and it's time to make this look like real metal. I'll start with a piece of 150 grit sandpaper and buff the textured areas I've created to expose the graphite metal finish. You could also use triple-aught steel wool. The degree of the reveal is up to you, but keep in mind the graphite and shellac layer is thin, and so it's possible to buff off the graphite completely and expose the material below the paint. If you want to add a bit more polish to your metal, use a Scotch-Brite pad to give it a bit more shine. This mixture could be applied to a variety of props like door handles and hinges, locks, brackets of all kinds, metal beams. The applications are endless, so get creative. A last bit of buffing, and I'm calling this one done. Of course, if you wanted to push the envelope a bit further, you could apply some burnt sienna to give it the look of rust. But I've already done a few videos on the subject, so be sure to check those out for more tips. As you can see, with the right tools and techniques, it's possible to make anything look like anything else. It's the beauty of prop making. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment down below and let me know how you might use this technique in something you're building. And most importantly, go make something.